Kevin, Red Living Philippines. Alright, today's topic. Why I can't have certain nice things in the Philippines. Why? These dogs. There's one culprit. Booter and the other dog Tommy get into fights. So this dog likes to be up here on the on the carport rooftop. He hangs out up here at night. Because the dogs get along for the most part, most of the time, but every once in a while one goes at the other and then they end up getting in a dog fight and they have to break them up. So we have to keep them separated at night when no one's out and about. So instead of having to roll one of these tables over to barricade this every night for this dog, Booter, they had a gate put in. Still needs to be painted. This got made today. So you got a nice little handy dandy gate to put this little culprit, lock this little culprit up here. And then down out in front of the house, they got a nice door done and a tile on the front, and we have one of these gates on each side of the house. We used to separate the dogs, one in the front and one in the back. Guard dogs for at night. They like to go after strangers. So originally we would lock one in the back and one in the front, and Tommy, the other dog, he's scared of thunder. So like when rainy season was here just a couple, month or two ago, he happened to be locked in the front. And he started to scratch this door, the bottom of it. So basically we barricaded the door off and haven't used it since we put it up. Take a step back. So there's our nice front door that we can't use. So we're putting, having Val over here. Putting a little fencing thing here. One on this other end. We're going to put it where the tile's at. And then fill it in with cement around it for the gate. Step back so you can see the gate's going to be in the middle. So I basically have to put railings in a gate around the front door area so we can use the front door. So that's what we're doing. Had some gravel put in and some more yardscaping done. Still in progress of deciding exactly how to set everything up, but ran out of gravel. And figure out the exact placement. It's still it's a work in progress. Water and plants. I don't know what we're going to do about these. These are a pain in the butt. The grass likes to grow up in them, and these are prickly plants. They're kind of a mess. We got these nice big flowering plants. You know what kind of plant that is? Tree?
Bongabilia.
What?
Bongabilia.
Bongabilia.
Yeah. Bongabilia.
So the plants are flowering. They weren't before, is it because it was rainy season?
Yeah.
So we got plants flowering, gates being built, and all kinds of stuff still. We're getting near the end though, so. But that's the latest and greatest of what's going on around here. Kevin Kevin and Juvie. Day 2. Day 2. Day 2 of this gate. The one up on the top is done. That end one's done. Both end ones are done. So you got the rail on both sides done, the frame on the front. Val concreted it in. He's working the concrete right now. He just poured it in. So that's day 2. And then of course you have the little gate up top. Walk through here. I'm gonna finish painting this. Got the latch on it. Just needs some painting. Day 2. Okay, it's day 3. Day 3 on the railing project. Looking pretty good. Clean it up and paint it. Still got the latch to be put on. They're all cemented into the ground. Oh, he's got it wired shut so the dog can't get in. Down there on the bottom. So all I need is the latch and a paint job. Take a step back. There it is. Almost done. Okay, day 4. 4 days to build a couple gates, weld them, go get the materials, cut them, weld them, put them together, prime them, put 2 coats of paint. But here's the gate. Got a latch. It got dust on the railing, the tacky paint. Yeah, it's done. The gate. The door. Now if I could get it touched up where the dog scratched on it because the storm scared him. Let's see what else been going on. Like I said, the gate and the railings. And the gate. The gate up on top of the carport. We're gonna get a latch like that for this one. Because it works, but it rubs on the wall and whatnot, and you have to latch it. The other one latches by itself, so we're gonna attach it to this, fill and repaint this stuff right here so it looks better. But that's not all that's been going on. Just the gates and the railings. You can see the gate up there is done. painted. Got a couple of dog cages built as well and painted. So usually when you have guests, because the dogs will attack strangers, so if we have a party with strangers, they have to tie him with a leash and a little 6-foot leash, and by the time you loop it around something, that maybe gives them 4 feet. So we got these little, they got these dog cages built. They don't seem to mind. It's nice and shady back here, so we had the grass dug out and put them on pads so the stuff doesn't rust during rainy season and moisture from the ground. But yeah, there's Tommy taking a nap in his cage. And then we got Booter over in his. What, you don't like the camera? Anyhow, let me step back. You can get a full up. Whoa. That's what they look like. Nice and shady over here. Still working on the yard. It needed some fertilizer, so I put fertilizer because it was starting to not grow because there's sand under the topsoil. I put too much and burnt the grass, but it is coming back and it is thickening. You can see the brown spots. That's where I put too much fertilizer. I need to trim this tree that's hanging down. Red Living Philippines. Subscribe, like, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching.